Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. See this little guy? He is the king of the house. This is Chewy, and I'm going to make him some dog treats. Chewy recently met a bunch of friends at the park, so we're going to make enough to take all of his friends some treats. And then I'm going to introduce you to all of his little buddies. So this is everything I'm going to need for my doggy treats. 2 bananas, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of peanut butter, and 2 cups of oats. Now these bananas are not as ripe as they should be, so I'm going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to flip them over for another 30 seconds, and then I'm going to flip them over again for another 30 seconds until they're very mushy inside. So here's my bananas. They just came out of the microwave. This one started to pop, but they're very mushy. That is a quick way to ripen your bananas. So here's my food processor, and I'm going to add my oats. And I'm going to grind these up, and I'm going to make oat flour. So now let me show you. See? This is all ground up. So now I'm going to add my peanut butter. So that's my peanut butter. I'm going to add my bananas and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now I'm going to mush this up. Now seriously, this really comes out kind of the consistency of a pie crust. It removes itself from the edge. That's when you know you've mixed it enough. So now I'm going to roll it out on my cutting board. So this is something I forgot to say. You got to take about a tablespoon of the ground up oatmeal and put it on your cutting board. That way it doesn't stick so much. Now I'm putting everything here. I'm going to start putting it together. So at this point, I'm just going to roll it out, just like you would roll out a pie crust. Same thing. Just roll it out, pack it together like this. You're going to want to make it a little thinner. I ended up having to move everything because it seems like I was getting a glare. So I have my cookie cutter right here, my little doggy bone cookie cutter. And look how cute that ends up. So I'm going to put them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And then we're going to cook these 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Very cute. And here are my cookies. Fresh out of the oven, nice and hot. Slightly crunchy, 25 minutes. So let's see how Chewy likes these cookies. Okay, let's see if Chewy likes it. I think he likes it. And now we're going to introduce everybody to our friends at the park.